In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new status in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Jira account. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in the URL for your Jira application. Once you reach the login page, enter your credentials. That's typically your username and password. After you hit enter, you should be taken to the main dashboard where you can see all your projects. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the specific project where you want to create a new status. On the left sidebar of your dashboard, you should see a list of your projects. Click on the project that you want to update. This will open up the project dashboard. Now here's where things get a little more interactive. After you've selected your project, you will spot a section labeled To Do. This section allows you to manage your tasks and the corresponding statuses. Click on the To Do section. You may immediately notice a few existing statuses there, but we're here to add a new one. After clicking on To Do, take a glance around this part of the board. You will see options to change existing task statuses, but we want to add something fresh. So, proceed to click on the option that says Add Status. This is where we can start creating our new status. When you click on Add Status, a new prompt will appear asking you to name your new status. You want to think carefully about what your status will represent. Maybe you need a status like In Review or Waiting for Approval. Type in the name you've chosen into the box provided. Now after naming your status, click on the button that says Create Status. Congratulations, you're doing great! But we aren't done yet. Once you create the status, you'll need to categorize it so it can easily be identified in the workflow. Categorization is important, as it helps distinguish the status's purpose. You'll then see a prompt asking you to select a category for the status. Categories usually include options like To Do, In Progress, or Done. To align with your project's lifecycle, click on the category that best suits your new status. For instance, if your status is about something that is being worked on, you might select In Progress. After categorizing your new status, the next step is to click on the Add button. This finalizes your creation. You can now return to the board view and click on To Do again to see if your newly created status is there. Now, navigate back to your project dashboard to where it lists all the statuses. Look for the newly created status. Let's say we call it In Review. You should see it incorporated into the list of statuses under the designated category you chose. If you've completed all these steps properly, congrats! You've successfully created a new status in Jira. This can assist your team in tracking project progress more effectively and streamline your workflow to ensure everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to create a new status in Jira, adding a bit of personalization to how you manage your projects. Don't forget to check out other helpful videos for more tips on maximizing your tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't hesitate to give the video a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.